Today we'll be doing a quick demonstration on how to rebuild GENIUS Tools 36-tooth standard reversible ratchet. Once again, the process will be the same, 1/4 inch through 1/2 inch drive when rebuilding these ratchets. Obviously the part numbers will be different in relation to the drive size of the ratchet, but the process itself is the same. First step is going to be to remove these two set screws on the back. In this case, one was missing, plus the back's the only one. Get all the internals out. Got the clear piece, the cover plate, two internal arms, the two tapered springs, and the set screws in the back. Now for this ratchet, there will be a total of 3 repair parts needed. Clean up. It's always a good idea to give the insides of the ratchet a quick clean down before you start to rebuild. And of course, you're always going to want to get some grease in there as well. And first step is going to be to come in with this gear piece, just like that. And the next part, remove those 2 internal arms and the 2 tapered springs. And on these arms, you'll notice that there's a lip built in on each side, and you're going to want that lip facing down. And you're going to place these inside the ratchet. There's a groove that's machined in where they'll fit. So you just go right in there, just like that. Same thing on the other side with the ridge facing down, just like so. And then you come in with these tapered springs and position them between the arm and the ratchet wall. And once again, you'll have the larger side of the spring facing towards the outer wall of the ratchet itself. Get those in there just like that. And then you're going to want to switch the lever in the other direction to give you room to work on the other side. And you do the same thing. Insert this spring with the larger end facing the outer wall of the ratchet. Just like that. And then I'll come back in with a little more grease. And the last part of the kit is going to be the rear cover plate with the 2 set screws. Fit the rear cover on the back, flip the ratchet over, and then you'll insert those 2 set screws. Tighten down. You want to tighten these, but you don't want to over tighten them. Just get them nice and snug. Just like that. Give a quick wipe down, check both directions. The rebuild's complete.